To get started with using rewards in Klarna payment, first understand what Klarna is. A popular payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments or with a credit product. The rewards program is designed to incentivize customers to make repeat purchases and use Klarna for their payments. The first step is to create a Klarna account and start making purchases with the service. As you make payments, you will begin to earn rewards, which can be in the form of vouchers, discounts, or cashback. To view your rewards, log into your Klarna account and navigate to the rewards section. Here you will see all the rewards you have earned and the ones that are available to you. To redeem your rewards, simply click on the reward you want to use and follow the instructions. You can use your rewards to make purchases with any merchant that accepts Klarna. One key concept to keep in mind is that rewards can have expiration dates, so make sure to use them before they expire. Additionally, some rewards may have certain terms and conditions, such as minimum purchase requirements, so make sure to read the fine print. A practical example of how to use rewards in Klarna payment is to earn a voucher for a certain percentage off your next purchase. You can then use this voucher to make a purchase with any merchant that accepts Klarna, saving you money on your purchase. Best practices for using rewards in Klarna payment include regularly checking your account for new rewards, using your rewards before they expire, and reading the terms and conditions of each reward. By following these steps and tips, you can get the most out of the Klarna rewards program and save money on your purchases. The key is to understand how the program works and to use your rewards strategically to maximize your savings. Overall, using rewards in Klarna payment is a great way to save money and get more value from your purchases. By taking the time to understand the program and using your rewards wisely, you can make the most of this beneficial service.